And welcome to Kabul Cricket Stadium in the Eths/Bagiza Cricket League 2025 powered contenders for the tournament. Lots one over. Beautiful ball striking from Akram.
Welcome to the crease, Gazanfar, says Akram.
Thing changes. Age is found, it's coming fine. It's coming fine for four. Back-to-back boundaries for Akram. One of the rising star of Afghanistan cricket. Mohammad Akram. Interesting stroke. Catch taken. Just cannot believe it. A soft dismissal. Salim Safi strikes. Ibrahim goes.
It's been awesome. Just like that, this occasion uses the long handle for good effect and brings up the first Pegiza in game number 10.
The best response to a threat is going all out, attacking. That was a thunderous blow straight down the ground, a thumping blow for six. He picks the length early and swings it straight. Magnificent ball striking from Karim.
I don't think it's a bad delivery at all.
Akram launches in downfield, long off, just over him. Six.
A good shot. Straight down the ground, straight as a whistle. Long off in place. Akram takes him on. The length this time by Gazanfar was too full again. For a moment, batsman's heart would have been in his mouth, but that cleared easily. Good option taken, going straight as possible.
چې رساله کې د بوست لپاره ډېر خو نن رساله کې اړتیا ده ان سایډ کې د ازل بال له باونډري څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره وروسته یې پیچ کړ ښه چینل کې او اکرم مامادو او تر ټولو مهمه چې ګیپ کې ولوباو میرانه او د ازل ایج دی بال له باونډري څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره آوټ سایډ یې شو دواړه توپونه یې هغه ډول کنیکټ نه کړه هغه ډول یې به بیټ رانه وستل خو په دواړو باونډریانې رالي
لوبغاړی وي اوهو کریم جنت بهترینه زړه راښکونکې شیبه دا مهال په کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې د کریم له بیټ څخه
What a sound of the bat په زړه پورې کنیکشن او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره کریم جنت باډي لانګویج په زړه پورې سلو هم خو کریم ماده تر څو یې تر باونډرۍ بهر
اوهو دا ځل بالکل ګورو چې توپ بهترینه د ډیپ سکویر لیګ باونډري څخه د باندې شپږیزه خلیل نشي کولی چې د کریم جنت دا چټکې شپږیزو او څلوریزو مخه ونیسي
په زړه پورې ننداره په کابل کرکټ لپاره کې زبردسته لیک او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره اوس وګورئ څومره ښه او دا مونږ
12 توپونو باندې دا ځل مخامخ راکټ شاټ شپږیزه بهترینه په زړه پورې ډېر اعلی ایکسلنټ
او محمد اکرم خو له وړاندې ډېر ښه پام کې مخکې پیچ کړی دی اماده او سټریټ دغه بال ولوباوه د شپږو منډو لپاره پیس کې هم تغییر او دلته
کاور ډرایو په زړه پورې توپ د باونډرۍ څخه د باندې څلور منډې د کریم مخه د ایسي بین څخه شاټ او توپ د باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې
تغییر نه راځي په اپروچ کې د کریم جنت ځکه که څه هم
دا ځل راځي او توپ ته ایکسټرا کول باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې
قدمونو استعمال هم وکړ
سلو دویم چټکو دا ځل بیا هم کریم جنت ګورو کیچو دلته ځي غضنفر دا کریم جنت پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکی ږدي
او په زړه پورې په ډیب کې الا محمد غضنفر کومه غلطي ونه کړله او د سره وکټ په خشوه سو ګورئ مخکې تللی دی ځان یې جوړ کړی دی خو پیسه هومره نه و هماغه ده چې مستقیما د الله محمد غضنفر لاسونو ته
بالکل ملت هماغه ځانګړنه یا هغه ویریشن سره چې کوم بالینګ کوي تر دې وړاندې توپ ډېر چټک و خو په هغه توپ باندې یوازې یوه منډه چې ډګر ساتنه میس فیلډینګ وسو 2 منډې ته لاړې خو دغه بال
Slower delivery, waited for it and then picked the bones out of it. What a way to start the over. And welcome.
What a welcome. Absolutely. Gulbadin Naib makes the mistake of bowling in the slot. Second mistake, bowling it slow. Third thing, Wasim Akram is enjoying his time out in the middle. He's striking at 176. That was a slower in the slot and dispatched. Easy picking that for Wasim Akram.
Than that. Is that a bicycle? Is that an iron? 50 for Akram. One of the most uncomplicated stroke making that we've seen. And it's come at a great time for the Bose defenders when they're scripting a comeback in this league. Akram stands up and Kabul applauds.
Yeah, once again getting to his half century. In the very first match against Amu Sharks, he scored 64, and this time around, once again, getting to 50 mark as the players.
Oh, very gently done. A boundary that Akram will celebrate because Khalil is providing the place. Khalil, he has got to do something different here.
Hold on a second. You.
Oh, gets hold of it. And the catch it call will be answered by the crowd and crowd only. Akram is in tremendous touch. Stand and deliver has a new synonym. Akram.
Absolutely. Wasim Akram has pulled this off of a short ball. That's not easy to put away a ball from there, but Wasim Akram does it with ease. Tells you for the power.
That'll change even more so. Akram had picked his spot and he doesn't want to miss out on it at all.
He registers his
Knockers on him. He still got the opportunity to go for 3 figures. No, doesn't want to miss out on the party. Yes, there was a fielder in the tee, but he's only a spectator there.
well, the bowlers from the Bandia Mir Dragons are having a very, very tough day out in the middle. Izhar Naveed comes into the attack and regrets why he has come into the attack because 14 runs of his first.
جواب نشته مخامخ لوبونه ده یو دوه درې څلوریزه وسیم اکرم نن رحم نه کوي یو بې رحمه توپوهنې ترسره کړې ده 3 توپونه او 9 شپېته منډې او دغه
لوبه کړې ده بال لوبولی دی یو ځل بیا اظهار دلته فیلډر شون لري خو شپږیزه څو بهترینه شاټ د لانګ ګان فیلډر تر وروستیو هڅه وکړه دغه بال راونیسي خو په هوا او شپږ منډې د ده په سر
بیک فوټ سره روم جوړول سلاټ کې یو لانګ آن د پاسه شپږیزه الا نور انفارم بیټر سوال سره وروسته یو سلو
ورکړي دي ده هم وکټ نه ترلاسه کړي بیا هم دغه بال لوبیږي ګلبدین د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او میس فیلډینګ څلور منډې راځي دلته
دا پریشر دی په بندي امیر لوبډله باندې ځکه وسیم اکرم
دا هغه څه دي چې دی برلاته دی تر دې وخته او مخکې یو ځل بیا د شاټ هڅه او دا ځل څلور منډې ضرور بیا هم راځي څه ډول یوه بهترینه لوبه روانه کړې ده سر په سر په هیڅ لوبغاړي باندې رحم نه کوي.
Defenders are scoring heavy. Shot through extra cover and goes to the boundary all around the ground. Perfect start to the 17th over. Roof and Fidai on the combox in the air and out of the stadium. It says no, hits the roof and comes back. That's a one-hand monster by Noor.
Yeah, Gulbadin, we didn't hear you all. You wanted to tell us how the conditions are out there. How is the wicket?
Gulbadin Bold aim. Gazanfar has the last laugh. The previous ball went for a 6. Comes back with a perfect delivery to dismiss Noor.
The partnership Matsuna.
Aiming big. Deep mid-wicket is a place. I just about to say it. In the air. Finds a gap. One bounce to the boundary. Oh, I hope that the fielder at long on is fine. Is crashing to the advertising hoarding, showing great commitment.
Batter Najibullah Zadran. Just that we were talking about it, high in the air, and that has been dropped. There could be a run out, and might well be a run out.
The man in form, Akram, who's been batting so well, 87 of 57 deliveries, asking Najibullah Zadran to cross over for a single. Zadran refuses it, and in the end, full toss. Hammers it past extra cover and goes for a boundary. Gulbuddin Naib bowling the slow balls into the pitch. The first 2 deliveries to Najibullah. Goes for a Yorker, missed the length, creams through the offside. Another full toss. The extra cover is in front of square this time. Oh, misfield, and goes through a boundary. The standards what the Dragons have set, unfortunately, got to be set. Though should have
Loses it to the boundary. That is another full toss, and that goes the distance. Najibullah Zadran straight away asking the question if that is a beamer above waist high to be a no ball.
very close to being a waist high full toss. The leg umpire, I'm pretty sure, will consult the third umpire. The technology will be asked to come. Though it wasn't dangerous, it was outside the yaw stump. If it's marginal even, this has to be called a no ball. Ooh, very, very close. Najibullah Zadran crouching a bit when the ball makes contact with the bat. This is going to be a close call for the third umpire.
It's very close, of course. But the important thing from the Bush defender's point of view is that the runs are still coming. This over from Gulbuddin Naib been expensive as well. If that is a no ball, that would be salt to the wounds.
Two checks will happen. One is for the no ball, the other for the boundary. This is the boundary check. Fielder misjudges it. I think that's gone all the way. Clearly clearing the boundary. That should be called a 6. And I reckon since the third umpire wanted to see the boundary check, not the no ball check, yeah, it's been called a no ball as well. Rubbing salt into the wound of Gulbuddin. It goes for a 6 and an extra delivery comes up.
Yeah, well, again, you have to...
The free hit. Another full toss. Long on in place, and he'll be a mere spectator. An expensive over comes to an end, and the end of the 18th over. 195 for 4.
Well, you don't want to bowl full toss to Najibullah Zadran. That too of a free hit. He says, thank you very much.
Most defenders won't be easy. In the air. Deep mid-wicket in place and clears him pretty easily. It's another Spagiza.
And it's out of the stadium. That's the key. Linked to Najibullah Zadran. And he picks it up with ease. And the umpire has to run and bring a new ball now because the ball is gone out of the park. Look at that. How easy he makes it look. Striking at 355.
And nothing delivered by Salim. Suffering because of Najibullah Zadran outside edge. Luck favours the brave. Nothing wrong with the delivery. Goes to the boundary.
Yeah, balls are blocked.
Yorker misses it. Mid-wicket in play. Says mine. Gets underneath it. And takes a very good catch. And had the presence of mind to know exactly where the cushion was. And in the end, Salim has the last laugh.
It was swiveling in the air, the indication from Nangyal Kharota.
Defenders batting first, scored 200.